Hi, I'm Russ Lagan, the Real Estate Dude, and today, just real quick short message today is if you're gonna do nothing else this week, do at least one video and post it on social. You wanna start off just like I did. Hey, I'm Russ, the Real Estate Dude, or hey, I'm Jackie the Real Estate Person. Whatever you got, just find your simple super entry. Hey, I'm blah, 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 the real estate person, so that at least they know they're your real estate person. And then I want you to do once a week something on Hyperlocal, what's going on in your community. So start this week, grab 1 minute to do one video talking about something in your neighborhood, something in your immediate hyperlocal market. And if you do one per week, 30 seconds to 1 minute talking about something in your local market, you can take that single video and over the next year, you're gonna have 52 of them. So what happens is in your hyperlocal market, you're gonna have 52 videos on stuff in your hyperlocal market that people wanna see, where to go, how to do it, where to see it, dog parks, cool restaurants, interesting places to take kids, cool places to walk, nice places to exercise, things to see, people to do, whatever. Ice sculpture, they did that locally a couple weeks ago here, ice sculpture for the weekend. So with that being said, you wanna do 52 of those, just do one a week, right? Keep it real simple, 1 minute, in and out, something on your market. Drop that on your YouTube channel so that it has the ability to be searchable. All you gotta do is go on YouTube, ask YouTube how to build a YouTube channel. It'll show you how to do that. And then if you wanna optimize that, type in optimizing YouTube video and YouTube will show you how to optimize your video. So you can keyword search that, and what'll happen is you will become, over the next year, the hyper-local real estate expert for that local market, okay? So one video a week, that's all it takes to become a hyper-local expert. Just keep doing it over the next year. Next thing you know, you're gonna have 52 videos. If you wanna do 2 a week, guess what? You'll have 100 videos in a year, or you'll have 52 at the 6-month mark, which means people are gonna see you more. It's not me doing real estate all over everybody. It's me being the real estate guy, showing you what's cool in my town, and then people will start coming to you. That's all I got for now. My name's Russ Lagan. See you on the next video. Bye.